Hi. I remember you. I like you. You're a unique looking duck. You're very beautiful. Yes, you are. You're very beautiful. Now, it's okay. I'm not going to hurt you, honey. Would you like some food? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Looks like somebody's coming to ruin the party. But that's okay. I won't consider you a party crasher because I like you. Even if you are a little aggressive, even though you aren't as aggressive as your friend. Oh, look, and there's a beautiful female mallard. Don't be scared, honey. Beautiful coot around a beautiful, unique-looking duck. I like this duck. He's really cool. Found another one like you, but with black markings. You should go hang out with that duck. He's nice, too. I like you guys.